Yes.
Alright. So, if you just do this first time, and then it will dry. Can you see how there's no streak? Can you see it go?
Yeah.
Cool. So when you do it, you're just going to go like this.
Does it depend which side of cloth you
No,
use?
no, same thing.
Okay.
Maybe for the first time, go over it 2 times. But only because to get rid of all the chemical. So it's all off. See how all those fingers are pushed down?
Mm-hmm.
That's all the wind, all the chemical that's there. And then, just one time. Only one time. And it will dry by itself, maybe just the edge here, and the edge, and the edge. But see, when there's no chemical left behind, it's harder to get dirty. So you're going to be cleaning less.